That was so easy, bro. We have the GPS. That's what is connected right here. Plug it. I'm not gonna unplug everything. And then you got this little plug. Bro, this is sick. Whatever this plug is. And then you got one big plug that you plug in, and all the like factory plugs are gonna plug in to the thing that this actually ends up coming with. That was so easy, bro. And oh my god, it's touch screen. How do I use the radio? I'm trying to figure out like the best sound setting. It doesn't sound very good from the factory. Forgot to say to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment.
I hate saying it just as much as you probably hate me saying it, but if I do not say it, like 1% of you will actually do it.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Man, I'd be lying if I didn't say that it took me forever to figure this crap out, but I ended up calling my service provider and they figured all of this crap out for me. Now this is the coolest thing ever. Where's my music? There we go. This is what I'm looking for. This is a really good podcast. I know, not music, but we're gonna go ahead and try this. I'm gonna try to find it's a little bit laggy, but that's okay. Where's like that? Where's the track? There, here we go. We're getting into it. Do this one. Oh no, is it gonna? Oh, okay, I was gonna say, is it not gonna let me play the video? I want to do 720. Yeah, buddy. Oh, this is so cool, bro. What do you guys think? Bro. Now we can officially like chill. Alright, that's everything, bro. So it's all set up. The only complaint I have about this thing is there's like a little bit, there's an audio issue. Oh yo, yeah, I'm gonna install all my apps, bro. This is so sick.